Alright, here, Culver, videotape it. You ready, guys?
YouTube.
It's okay, Chad. Here we go, Chad. Here we go.
Oh.
And pop. Did you get Jonathan? Get Zach, hurry up.
Dude, you're covered in red, man.
I know. Keep doing it.
What?
I'm doing it. Carson, you do that again, you're dead. Oh, did it hurt? Ready?
Hold
Go,
up.
Chad.
Dude, look at the freaking marks.
Chad, it looks like someone like raped you.
Yeah, dude, it looks like... Oh.
What's up, mommy?
Try to make a smiley face.
Here, I want to do it like this. I want to do it as hard as I can. Oh.
Oh boy, Chad. You ready?
You ready for this? Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready for this? Ready for this? Okay, Chad. Here we go, Chad. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna do this, okay?
Oh,
Okay.
just do it now.
I start.
Oh.
No, Chad. You get what? You get the pick. You get 5 stars. You need Jonathan.
No. You don't get to do that.
Dude, Chad's in pain.
Chad did it willingly, though.
Chad.
I needed that.
Are
Who
you
wants
sure,
to do it
Chad?
next?
Chad.
I'm training.
Zach's turn. Then me.
If I ever get beat up, I'll just be laughing.
I don't know. I'm not doing like Chad.